Can anyone hear me now? I have never seen one this bad before. It is going to take all day. I have never take all day.
Look at this. Mud is in the intake and the block might be cracked. Look at this. Mud is in the intake.
Come on, just a little more. These pads are looking pretty worn. We need to resurface these rotors. This mud is really caked on. It's taking a lot of pressure. This foam cannon is great. Total coverage.
Yeah, I just had a minor accident. The whole front bumper came off. Yeah, I just had a minor accident. The whole front bumper came off.
All right, let's lift it up.
The whole front bumper came off.
We have some severe oxidation on this support. I need to check the remaining thickness right here. This pockmark shows significant metal loss. This will definitely require immediate repair. We have some severe oxidation on this support. I'm sorting these parts now. This one needs to be scrapped. This will definitely require immediate repair. These usable parts are cleaned. Support. I'm checking this parts now. This is within tolerance. Ready for service. Immediate repair.
From worn and rusted to precision machined and perfected, every valve is meticulously seated and every high-performance spring tested, restored to absolute perfection. From worn and rusted to precision balanced and perfected. Each journal is measured, meticulously micro-polished for smooth, flawless operation. For proper assembly, bores are measured with absolute precision. Fresh bearings are carefully pressed flush, then coated with assembly lube, ready for the crankshaft.
This Chevy orange is really gonna pop. This fresh fluid is exactly what it needed. This suspension is going to handle perfectly.
Carefully slide the new disc onto the hub, ensuring the bolt holes align. Use the torque wrench to tighten the retaining bolt to the manufacturer's specification.